Journey to Punkuk Tanawan.
Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog! This is our journey going to Phongkak, Tanawan. And here, tumatakbo na ako niyan kasi super late na ako. Iniwanan ako ng kasama ko at ito sa La Presa without knowing the exciting part. And this is the way to exciting part. Halfway pa pala ako dito and boosh! And, wow, trail. Angat more. Trail. Wow. Pero at the end, so worth it talaga ang place. Look at the place.